Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here. It's October 19th, 2022 with the Kata Challenge, and I just want to go over real quick what our exit rules are for this sample set of trades right now. So we're doing an initial stop when if price crosses the dragon against our trade. That's capital preservation. No lose plus dinner for two, which means moving our stop up above our entry. And we do that when we have greater than one of our execution risks to get our risk out. And then at anything over plus 1R, our R10 value, we're going to exit if the price crosses back into the dragon with the idea to get paid. And so far, we've been doing this exit rules for about 30 trades, and they're looking pretty good. I'm enjoying them, so I'm going to keep trading those for a while. So now I just want to show how some of those exit rules look like in live trading applications. So today, again, the October 19th, we were trading the Kata Challenge, 3-minute charts with EWZ, the Brazil ETF. Right here, our yellow box. This is our minimum manageable risk box using our 10 stat of 12 cents. And we had this open is right here, this blue vertical line. So sold off and then made this big move up, and we then entered here with the supported fall crossing when it crossed the PSAR here, going short. And then after it got over 1R, we were a little bit late on the exit, but still exited to get paid 0.46R. Quickly started to reverse to go back down for this little bend right here is our collapsing dragon, right? Because it's a failure, and got past what we risked it, so we just moved to no lose plus dinner for two, which protected our capital when it came back and reversed. No worries there. And then we had a setup after this big move down for supported spring crossing as it crossed the PSAR to the upside, crossed through the dragon, started to turn to spring here. So we got the entry about at the PSAR. Again, came up above we were risking, so our initial risk would have been here at the bottom of the dragon. It came up, so we got enough that we were able to move to no lose plus dinner for two, get our risk out. That's most important. And then didn't follow through, came back down to hit our stop. So stayed out of the rest of it. Kind of started to could see with these lack of follow throughs, it was getting more sideways. Nothing was kind of following through. So stopped trading then. We're happy with 0.64R. I'll take it if you don't want it. And then here, our second chart is DIA, the ETF for the Dow Jones 30 Industrials. And as we saw, the EWZ was started to get pretty sideways and choppy. I didn't see a lot of moves there. So we switched over to DIA. We had a little more time to trade, starting about here at 10:30. So this vertical line is when I started to get back to trading and look at the charts, and saw this big move down. Wanted to play the collapsing dragon to the downside. This blue trend line was the length I saw for this leg down, and basically just extrapolated that down to here. So this was our potential reward for this risk. Got short here when the RL10 rolled over and crossed the dragon and the PSAR. Quickly went against us, so we got out at the dragon for a fractional loss. Started to reverse up, and then what we had here was kind of a two-leg SSC, or really a Kata 2, where we had this low here and then a higher low. And as it crossed the dragon here, we got long on this trade with the stop here. Went over, here's our minimum manageable risk box, the R10 for DIA, which is 79 cents. We had more than that in open profits. It started to reverse back, so we just wanted to get paid. So that's 0.47 here in DIA, about 0.6 or so in EWZ, so about an R for the day. So a good day at work. Thanks.